everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So I'm here to share something very important, like what are the essential things you must carry with yourself before going to IIMs. Start with the most important item that you must carry with yourself. You can't forget all of these items. So first is formal suit. Like initially in every college you must have to wear formal suits, so you should carry at least two formal suits and same two formal footwears. And you can have one register and stationery item, all the important documents. I will make separate video for the document that you must carry with yourself. One laptop bag, one calculator is also very important. Wristwatch to look more formal. You can have wristwatch also, this is completely option, but I will recommend you to have one wristwatch also. You should carry casual wears according to your wish. Like initially you have to wear formal, but later you can have smart casual dresses. So buy your clothes accordingly and pack your clothes accordingly. And party wear dresses for fest, and for like you might have freshers in your college, for that purpose you should carry a party wear dresses. Makeup kit, obviously most important for girls. You must carry some basic makeup items with yourself. Document folder for carrying all the important documents. Next, some items are recommended that you should have all this item. Two single bed sheet, two pillow covers, one blanket, one towel, one water bottle, cloth hanger as many as you want, laundry bag, one bathroom slippers, because you can't wear same slippers to bathroom and like going for classes. And there are some items that you must have that is very important, but I think you should buy it after reaching campus, because it will carry weight if you are going from flight. So weight should be considered. So I think you should buy this after reaching to campus only. Like toothbrush, bucket and mug. You can't carry bucket and mug while traveling, so you can buy this after reaching campus from the local stores. Toothpaste, face wash, soap, body wash, umbrella, pillow. I believe you should carry toothpaste, face wash and soap, one piece only with yourself in advance, because on the very first day you can't be like without washing your face. You can't go here and there, so I think you should have all of these like toothpaste, face wash and soap only in advance. Only one piece, and rest you can buy it from local stores from your college. Shampoo, hair oil, detergent powder for washing your clothes, face cream, shaving razor, nail cutter, sunscreen, tissue packet and mosquito repellent. All of this you can buy from the local stores from nearby your campus, because I don't think so कि आपको ये चीज़ कैरी करके अपना वेट इंक्रीज़ करना चाहिए. तो this is all, and I will make separate video for the important document that you must carry with yourself. Thank you.